Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Basmati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4 and I'm your teacher Mr. Dhananjaya. Welcome to the science class students. Are you ready to learn something new? Yes, these are the versions of students by all the good students already following the rules. We are on unit number 1, understanding our bodies, and today's plan is to read topic teeth and the stomach. First of all, we'll review the previous learning and we'll read page number 4, explanation, and do one activity which is on book page number 8. Question number 1, answer the following. Today we'll do F part, it's a notebook work. Then question number 3, we'll do on book page number 9. After that, there is a trivia time to focus on the important part which we read on book page number 4. So let's get started, students. In this unit, we read, our body is a wonderful machine. Each part has a special job to do. The bones and muscles work together to make you move. The fuel for the human body is food. There are millions of cells in the body. The skin, blood, muscles, and most other body parts are made of cells. There are 206 bones in your body. The skeleton gives the body its shape. Some bones protect the main inner organs, for example, brain, heart, lungs, etc. There are more than 600 muscles in your body. The heart pumps blood around the body. Our teeth help us to grind, chew, bite, etc. The visible part above the gum is called the crown. The crown has a whitish covering. It's called the enamel. It is the hard substance in the body. The entire part of the tooth, which is not visible, is inside the gum. It's called the root. Don't forget, outside part, crown. Inside is root. Now moving on to the reading session. Unit number 1, understanding our bodies, book page number 4. This is a continuation of the topic teeth. There are 4 types of teeth in the human jaw. Incisors are shaped like chisels so that they can cleanly into the food. Canines are more pointed. Humans use them for biting, but some animals like dogs have long canine teeth which they use for catching prey and tearing flesh. Premolars and molars have flat crowns which when moved across each other chew and grind the food into pulp. Tooth decay and gum disease. Tooth decay is caused by plaque, a sticky film of food, saliva, and bacteria which forms on the teeth after meals. Plaque on the teeth absorbs sugar. Bacteria in the plaque change this sugar into acid which dissolves away tooth enamel and makes a cavity in the tooth. Bacteria in the plaque also damage the fibers which hold the teeth in place. This causes the teeth to become loose and they eventually fall out. So do take care of your teeth. Brush twice a day. This is some important thing which is about the structure of tooth. So let's watch the video to understand more about your structure of a tooth.
Structure of a tooth. Our teeth help us to grind, chew, bite, etc.
Hurry up! Everybody is waiting for you.
Oh.
Coming.
I am Mr. Tooth, I have come from Dental Town. The visible part above the gum is called the crown. While I was showering, I realized my crown has a whitish covering. It's called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body.
You have come here to give a lecture.
Let us study structure of a tooth. This is dentin.
The layer below the enamel is called the dentin. It forms the bulk of the tooth. It is not as hard as the enamel.
This is pulp.
The soft portion inside the dentin is called the pulp. It consists of blood vessels and nerves. The entire part of the tooth which is not visible and is inside the gum is called the root.
This is the structure of a tooth.
Wow. Great job.
Autograph.
So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Now we move on to the next topic, the stomach. When you eat food, it is broken down into lots of tiny simple pieces so that the body can use it. This breaking down process is called digestion. The body uses food to produce energy. First of all, you chew food with your teeth, then you swallow it. The chewed food passes into the stomach where a strong acid breaks it down. There are lots of muscles in the stomach wall that mix the food with juices that helps to digest the food. The acid in the stomach also helps to kill germs in the food. From the stomach of the food passes into a pipe called the small intestine. This is where most of the digestion of the food takes place. The useful substances pass through the wall of the small intestine where they enter the blood. The blood then carries them to the parts of the body where they are needed. So that will be all for today, students. The points to ponder are our body is wonderful machine. Likewise, all machines, our body need food as fuel. Each of the many different parts of your body has a special job to do. Our teeth help us to grind, chew, bite, etc. The visible part above the gum is called the crown. The crown has a whitish covering. It's called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body. The entire part of the tooth, which is not visible and inside the gum, is called the root. Breaking down of food into tiny pieces so that the body can use it is called digestion. So today's work, today is April 13, 2021, Tuesday, Unit 1, Understanding Our Bodies. Question number 1, answer the following. It's a notebook work. We are doing F part. What does digestion mean? Answer. Breaking down of food into tiny pieces so that the body can use it is called digestion. Do this work in the notebook and learn the answer. Now, it's a quiz time, students. We already read about the name of types of teeth. So, need to label part A, B, C, D. I already labeled for you the upper part, which is visible outside the gum, is called crown. That part is outside the gum called crown. And the part of the root, which is inside the gum, is root. Now we have 4 names. First one incisor, canine, premolars, and molars. These are the four kind of teeth and two main parts of the tooth. Okay, so that will be all for today, students. I hope that you enjoy learning. Have a very nice and blessed day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.